Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy egg curry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, 2 large onions, and 3 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste, a couple of green chilies, and fresh cilantro for that vibrant touch. We'll also use common spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala, along with cooking oil, salt, and water to create our delicious gravy. Now, let's build the foundation of our curry. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 chopped green chilies, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Then, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste, mixing well. With our rich gravy base ready, it's time to introduce the stars of the dish, the eggs. Gently place your 6 hard-boiled eggs into the simmering gravy. Now, pour in about 1 cup of water. You can adjust this amount to get your preferred gravy consistency. Bring the curry to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. For the grand finale, let's add those last touches that elevate our egg curry. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala, which will infuse a warm, aromatic depth into the dish. Then, generously garnish with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro, adding a burst of freshness and color. Your delicious gravy egg curry is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, warm naan, or soft roti. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.